ShopBase Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to products are provided in the description below. In this video, we're diving into ShopBase's dropshipping platform, exploring its key features, strengths, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right solution for your e-commerce business. ShopBase is an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to streamline the process of setting up and managing an online store. Its integration with suppliers makes it easy to import products and handle fulfillment, eliminating the need to manage inventory. One of the standout features of ShopBase is its ability to support both traditional e-commerce and print-on-demand products, offering flexibility for a variety of business models. With tools like automated order processing, abandoned cart recovery, and a wide range of payment integrations, ShopBase helps simplify the day-to-day management of your store. The platform's ease of use is a major strength. ShopBase offers a clean, user-friendly interface that requires no coding skills, making it accessible even for beginners. The drag-and-drop website builder allows you to create a professional-looking store with minimal effort, and the platform is mobile-friendly, ensuring your store looks great on any device. In addition, ShopBase supports multiple languages and currencies, making it a solid option for international sellers. On the downside, ShopBase lacks some of the advanced customization options that more experienced sellers might need. While the platform is relatively easy to use, more complex business needs may require additional third-party integrations or custom coding, which could increase costs. Additionally, its app marketplace is still growing, meaning some features that are available on other platforms may not be as readily accessible on ShopBase. Overall, ShopBase is ideal for beginners or businesses looking for a simple, user-friendly dropshipping platform. It offers essential features at an affordable price point, but may not be the best choice for those seeking highly customizable or advanced solutions. That wraps up today's review. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on ShopBase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.